A lot of life moments can't just hit pause because of the pandemic, and certainly delivering a baby is one of them.
And our Fox 17 family added a new member just a few days ago. Our Annie Satowski got to meet him from 6 feet away. She's live to share what it's like having a baby during this time. Annie.
Yeah, guys, staying socially distant, being responsible. One of our producers, Dana Wilkie, and her husband, Jimmy, welcomed their first baby on the 4th of July. There he is. This is Wyatt. And even though they don't really have anything to compare it to, they say that the entire process of giving birth during a pandemic was amazing, and overall, they felt incredibly safe.
This is Wyatt. He's our Independence baby.
Wyatt Ford Wilkie, born at 11:35 p.m. on July 4th, with fireworks popping off sporadically in the distance outside Spectrum Health Butterworth.
Pushed for about 40 minutes and out he came.
And even though he won't know it for a while, Wyatt's birth year is one for the record books.
Like, you have no idea what this world was like.
Moms giving birth right now will notice a few minor but key changes in their delivery process.
Right off the bat, I got a COVID test, which was awful. Obviously, it wasn't the worst pain that I would feel that day, but not fun.
Dr. David Colombo, the director of maternal fetal medicine at Spectrum Health, says they want those changes to feel as minor as possible.
Your birth experience will be very similar to pre-COVID. We have not cut any corners in safety or quality or process because of the virus. Yes, we've changed a few things like visitors restrictions, and we've started testing everybody who comes into labor and delivery. But in the big picture, those are small things.
Wilkie says they chose to find the good in those restrictions.
It was kind of like a COVID blessing, because this is like such a special, like, intimate time, and it was just Jimmy and I, and we got to just like do it together.
They say the entire experience was nothing but amazing.
It was surreal. It's still kind of surreal that like we get to keep him and he's like ours. I'm not a very good cook, so this was like the best thing I've cooked. It only took 9 months.
Doctors say they're worried that more women will choose to deliver at home right now, afraid to come to hospitals.
I certainly think there are lots of good reasons for home births, and in the right situation with the right attendants, it's fine. But if you're trying to prevent a complication from COVID by delivering at home for that sole reason, I think you're making a mistake.
And Wilkie says if you're torn about what's best, just ask lots of questions.
There's only so much like worrying and stressing out that you can do. And at some point you just kind of have to live.
So now the biggest thing for the Wilkies to worry about is adjusting to life with the newborn.
He sleeps great during the day, and at night, why bother?
And helping their dog Henley become a big sister.
I think she's just like curious and like unsure.
Enjoying this time, because just like pandemics, these moments won't last forever.
I think I'll just tell him, like, 2020 was a wild year, and so far he's been the best part.
And he is a cute one. Dr. Colombo says they have had very few moms test positive for COVID-19, and he wants to assure them that if they do, they are fully equipped to handle that situation. Again, a big congratulations to Dana and Jimmy on new baby Wyatt. Guys, back to you.
Yeah, and Henley's going to be a big sister.
That's
too.
it. I know it. And they're going to get along well. I know it. And we welcome him to the family. We certainly love that.
Congratulations, guys.